It was an emotional reunion for OFW Jimmy Pacheco when he finally got the chance to hug his children upon his arrival in Manila on Monday. Pacheco says he didn't expect this day to come after being held hostage by the militant group Hamas for 49 days.
Masaya po ako na nandito na ako sa Pilipinas. Nakita ko na yung mga anak ko, pamilya ko, asawa ko. Tsaka parang panaginip lang to.
Pacheco recalled his ordeal last October 7th, the day he was taken hostage and his employer killed.
Sabi niya sa akin, ilak ko daw lahat ng mga pintuan, then isecure ko daw yung buhay ko na kasi matanda naman na daw siya. Pero mas pinili ko pa rin nag-stay sa kanya hanggang sa huling hininga niya po. Then, yun, pinatay siya sa shelter.
The Philippine government and Israel vowed assistance will be given to Pacheco's family.
Pangmatagalang tulong, pangkabuhayan at empleyo para sa pamilya ni Jimmy. Si Mrs. Clarice Pacheco, tutulungan din po natin, and most of all, isa pang na-point out ni Pangulo, yung mga bata.
Getting assistance, or I would say support, of the Israeli government, both on a monthly basis. There will be a monthly income for the family, and then of course for special needs such as education, healthcare.
For now, Pacheco plans to spend time with his family, his first Christmas with them after working in Israel for 5 years.
Masaya po kami kasi finally nandito na po siya. Akala po kasi namin wala na pong pag-asa nun, pero thanks God po. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga nagdasal. Sa wakas makakasama po namin siya ngayong Pasko.
Despite his ordeals and different assistance from the Philippine government and Israel, Pacheco is still determined to return to Israel to secure the future of his children. Tristan Udalo, CNN Philippines.